Ang puson ko, Bik. Hilot ko. Pag tinilot mo to, mas lalo siyang sasakit. Kailangan talaga ano lang siya, i-rest lang siya. You know, it's the time of the month. Come on, baby, let's go about it. Yeah. Corny. Come on, baby, let's go about it. Don Juan, hello. Ang sakit talaga. So, how you been, Vic? Oh, shit, Lord. I thought my cramps this month will be just gonna be easy, but oh my God. It's killing me. It really hurts. I'm hurting. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. It's really bad. Vic, where are you? Pagalawin mo na yung baso, Vic. Vic, pagalawin mo yung baso. I-box ba to? Ah, hindi. It's a... Lord, please take away this cramps, this dysmenorrhea. Sa paid... Ay! Oh, it's okay, Vic. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I can wait. Your payday day. Your payday day. Actually, me too. I'm waiting for Bigo's payday. It's been 5 days today and still we haven't got our payday from Bigo. Our pay from Bigo. When is your payday, Big? Sakit ng balkon ko, din. Oh, this Friday. I can wait. You know. Dun, dun, dun. Come on, buddy. Let's go, bud. I think Bigo will also pay us too by Friday, before or by Friday. Yeah, I think, and I hope so because it's time to pay the bills as well. Pay the bills by oh my God, it's really hard. And then here's me. Oh look, oh I have vocal here. Oh look at that. Ano bang English? Lamp. I have lamp here. Lamp. I don't know where did it came from, but I woke up with this. Can you see? Yan. Yan, this one. Diba? Diba?